Okay. So, I'm Dr. Misha from grade 7A and here to give a short presentation on the topic called electricity
And I'm Baba. The chapter name is electricity. First of all, we had to understand what electricity is. The flow of charges in a conductor is defined as electricity. You all can look at number 200. Static electricity. Okay. Before understanding static electricity, we have to understand atoms. The atoms, as we have learned, atoms are the smallest part of the atom. You can see here, this is the structure of atom. You can see there are nucleus. There is nucleus, and the nucleus contains of protons and neutrons, and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. And static electricity is the result of imbalance between the negative and positive charges in an object. And we also know that like charges repel and unlike charges attract towards each other. We had an experiment with us.
So it is experiment while it is like a hold the gum in the activity 8.1. Hold the gum and run over your hair. Bring it near small pieces of paper and observe. So I think we have to off the fan because it might the paper might flow. So here we can just take a small piece of paper. So here we are going to take a small piece of paper and we can just rub out the scale in our head in here and just feel like whenever the scale goes near to the paper, it just flies by itself.
And the reason behind it is that when the scale is rubbed on the hair, the electrons transfer from the hair to the scale, and we already have learned that unlike charges attract each other, and the different charges attract the charge of the scale attracts the charge of the paper. So here we can see here charged glass rod and uncharged silk cloth. When the charge that the different unlike charges attract each other, and the negative charges of the cloud and the positive charges of the ground, they attract each other, and the discharge of the electricity from the cloud occurs to the ground with positive charges. And another type is cloud to cloud. The electricity discharges from one cloud to another cloud. This process is known as cloud to cloud lightning. And intra cloud. When the lightning strikes between the positive and the negative, between the blank space of the positive and the negative charges of the cloud, it is called intra-cloud. Like here you can see the space between the empty space between the positive and the negative charges. When the lightning strikes inside the cloud in the empty space between the positive and negative charges, that is called intra-cloud.
Now let me explain one thing, that this plus sign represents that it is positive cloud and the minus sign represents that is the negative cloud.
And lightning, page number 203. During rainy season, the bright flash of lightning is seen in clouds along with loud sound. It's called lightning. Lightning is the electric discharge in the atmosphere between oppositely charged cloud or between charged cloud and earth, like I said before. Uh, During lightning, loud sound produced. Measures to protect from lightning. Page number 200. The following steps are important to protect us from the lightning strikes. It is dangerous to
Such as electronic device may get rust because they contain like metallic substances, as we already know that the metallic are the good conductors of electricity, so they might get rust because of the lightning. During lightning, we must move away from the metallic, electricity and telephone poles. We might have heard that many people are still in depression just because of lightning. So it actually affects the health and our mental ability to perform any kind of activities. So current electricity. The study of charges which are in motion is called current electricity. So the study of charges. So it can be simply defined as charges which are in the motion which performs electricity are called known as current electricity. Here, right away here's the bulb connected to the wire, and this is the cell, but the switch isn't connected to the cell, so that's why the light isn't glowing. So in the figure number 2, you can just see over here, this is the light bulb and this is the wire, so it is really connected from everywhere part of the side, but the switch is connected to the cell and the cell is even connected to the electronic bulb. So that's why this bulb is glowing. If it is not connected to the wire, or if it's not connected to the cell, then it might not glow. In the figure number 3 also, we can just see right over here, this electric bulb is not accurately connected, and this cell is not connected. So the switch is also not connected, so this bulb does not exist. Thank you all for giving me this golden opportunity to express myself in front of you.
Anyone has any problems?
Does anyone have any doubt about the chapter, as I told already?
Anyone?
If you have any doubt, then we can explain you in order.
Yes, when the bulb
The power is not enough.